Hello viewers, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, we're going to check out a trading platform called Tickmill. I'll be teaching you how to make a Tickmill account and get a bonus of $50. So if you want to stick around for more videos like this, always remember to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family so they too can start trading and earning using Tickmill. 2 is always better than 1 after all. So to start off, we should go to the Tickmill website and open it. As always, I'll leave the link down in the description, or you could also copy it off on the screen. Once you are there, you can start by scrolling down until you see the big red text that says Get a Welcome Account. Once you have found that red text, under it are information that needs to be filled up. So to create an account, you are going to have to fill in the needed information to continue. Once done, check all 3 boxes to agree with their terms and services. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, you can now click the green button with the words Submit and print it in it to go to the next step. Once you have successfully filled in all the needed information and checked all the boxes and clicked Submit, a green rectangle message will appear above the info boxes. It will say that you have successfully created a welcome account, but you will need to head over and open your email, which will contain the login details to your account and further instructions so you can get more of their platform's privileges. When you have opened your email account, you must find the Tickmill confirmation email. It will look similar to the email and message I am showing at the screen. Once you have found it, make sure to copy and save your Tickmill login, password, and server. Scrolling a little bit down, you will see a message telling you to download their MT4 platform. You should also do that so that you can start trading once you have finished verifying your account. Open the Tickmill platform that you had just downloaded. You don't have to read what it says, as it's only their terms and conditions, which I'm sure you are aware of already. Just click the next button and it will start downloading. All I have to do now is just sit back and watch the loading screen finish. After a while, it will finish downloading. It will open by itself and show you the server list. Once it opens and you see the server list, find the server that you were given in your email. Once you have found it, click Next. The next part will ask if you want to create an account or log in. Of course, we have already created an account, so what you will want to do is click the white circle next to the text that says Existing Trading Account. Then fill in all the necessary information, aka your login and password. You can also choose to save your password. Once done, click Next, and then you are finally finished. And you are done. Congratulations! You have successfully created and verified a Tickmill account with a $50 bonus. Soon you will be able to trade and earn money using this account. Hooray! So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you really liked this video and would love to see much more, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more to appear. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, or anyone you want so they too can start their trading journey and start earning using this platform. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you again in another video.